Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Did you stop by here because you got a maintenance warning light on your Honda Civic? Don't worry. We're going to do a full walkthrough on resetting the oil life or maintenance light on this Honda Civic. So let's go for it. On the old Honda Civic, you can reset the oil life using the button on the cluster. So let me do that right now. Step 1. Turn on your car without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the button on the left side of the cluster until you get to the service or oil life screen. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button until the display starts to blink. Step 4. Release and press the reset button again for about 5 seconds, then the oil life will change to 100% and you're done. This section will show you how to reset the oil life or service light on the 9th generation Civic. You can reset the oil life using the steering button. So let's get started. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting it up. Step 2. Press the menu button to bring you to the main menu. Step 3. Use the navigation button to go up to vehicle information and click the source button to enter. Step 4. Next, select maintenance information. Step 5. When you are on the oil life screen, press the source button to enter the reset mode. Step 6. Finally, you have to select yes, and it should be reset. On the 10th generation Civic, there are a couple of different ways to reset the maintenance light, and in this section, I'll show you the cluster method first. So let's go ahead. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2 or press the start button twice to get all the ignition on without depressing the brake. Step 2. Press the trip knob repeatedly until you get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Hold the knob down for 10 seconds and the oil life should start flashing. Step 4. Hold the knob for 5 more seconds to reset the oil life to 100% and you're done. Next, here we will use the navigation buttons on the steering wheel to reset the maintenance light. So the first thing you're going to need to do is Step 1. Push the start button twice to get all the ignition on without starting the car. Step 2. Hit the info button on the steering wheel a couple of times until the spanner screen comes up. Step 3. Hit enter and you will see the oil life along with maintenance items due. Step 4. Hold down the enter button for about 10 seconds or so to make the back screen switch over to the maintenance reset screen. Step 5. Scroll down to all due items and press enter to confirm the reset. This section will show you how to reset the maintenance light on the 11th generation of the Honda Civic. So let's dive into it. Step 1. Push the start button twice to get all the ignition on without starting the car. Step 2. Press the home button to bring you to the main menu. Step 3. Roll the left selector wheel to find the spanner menu and pressing it to enter the menu. Step 4. When you see the oil life screen, hold down the selector wheel for about 10 seconds to bring you to the maintenance reset menu. Step 5. Scroll down to all due items and press the wheel to confirm the reset. So So that's how you reset the oil life on the Honda Civic. I hope this helps you out. You can leave any questions or comments below, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Anyway, thanks for checking it out, and until next time.